have a new production line. We just opened it. It's called the launch line, where we produce the new X3. And today we actually celebrate the first car finished in our assembly process. So it's a big moment for us and for the BMW plant and also for the BMW International launch team.
BMW Indonesia terus tingkatkan pasarnya di Indonesia dengan menanamkan investasi di tahun 2018 sebesar hampir 20 miliar di tahun ini saja. Dan semua itu dilakukan untuk agar BMW terus bisa menghasilkan kendaraan terbaik, rakitan lokal, transfer teknologi, dan juga mengembangkan sumber daya Indonesia.
I'm very happy with the results, with the commitment of the people, of the management at TSM and Gaya Motor. The whole team effort was immensely good. And I'm very sad to leave. We had lots of fun and a good time.